how to install the Kubernetes extension in your Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can install the Kubernetes extension in Google Antigravity. So to do this, all you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. First, click onto the extensions tab present at the left hand side, or alternatively, you can also press the Ctrl, Shift and X key buttons. Now, once you have clicked onto the extensions option, you can simply search for the extension that you want. Although you might find Kubernetes just here in the recommended section. If not, simply type in the Kubernetes here at the top, and here you can see the Kubernetes extension right here. So I'm going to click onto this install button, and here you can see that it has prompted me for a message, and I'm going to click on trust publisher and install. And now you can see that the Kubernetes extension has started to install, and once the installation will be finished, you will be able to use Kubernetes directly from your Google Antigravity. And here you can see that the Kubernetes extension has been successfully installed, and here it is running right here. And you might need to click onto this accept button and also a config file for Kubernetes as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.